Hey guys, welcome back to O Level Guru. You're watching Chemistry 101, the series in which we will be completing the whole Chemistry 5070 syllabus to ace the exam, but most importantly, learn chemistry. So let's get started with chapter 2, Experimental Chemistry. In it, we'll be having a look at the measurement techniques and the method of collection of gases. Starting out with the measurement techniques. As you know, the quantities which we usually measure are mass, volume, time, and temperature. For the measurement of mass, we use balances. To be more specific, electronic balance, as it is the most accurate and easiest to use. It can measure to 0.1 gram or even 0.001 gram. For measurement of small quantities, we use the unit grams, and for the measurement of large quantities, we use the unit of kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. For the measurement of volume, we use a variety of apparatus. When we are measuring the volume of a gas, we usually use a glass syringe. While for the measurement of volume of liquids, a variety of apparatus is used, which includes a burette, beaker, volumetric flask, measuring cylinder, pipette, and a plastic syringe. Burette is the most accurate, as it can measure to the nearest 0.1 cubic centimeters. It contains a tap at the bottom and is also used in titration. Coming after is the pipette, which is also very accurate and can measure fixed volumes of 25 cubic centimeters, 50 cubic centimeters, and 10 cubic centimeters. Coming next is the measuring cylinder, which can measure volume to the nearest cubic centimeters. While measuring volume, lower meniscus is seen. A beaker is used to measure approximate volumes. A volumetric flask measures fixed volumes of 100 cubic centimeters, 250 cubic centimeters, and 1 decimeter cube when making up solutions of exact concentration. A plastic syringe is used to measure small volumes. For the measurement of time, we use stop clock or digital stopwatch. Digital stopwatch is widely used these days as it is easier to use and can measure very accurately to 0.01 seconds. For the measurement of time, seconds are usually used as unit. For the measurement of temperature, thermometers are used, which usually measure in the unit degrees Celsius. Alcohol in glass and mercury thermometers are commonly found in laboratories, while electronic thermometers are increasingly being used as they reduce the risk of mercury poisoning. Done with the measurement techniques, now let's start with the collection of gases. The collection of a gas really depends on whether the gas is heavier or lighter than the air, and also if it is soluble or insoluble in water. If a gas is heavier than air, then the method of downward delivery is used, which is also known as upward displacement of air. If a gas is lighter than air, then the method of upward delivery, or as also known as downward displacement of air, is used. If the gas is insoluble in water, the gas can be collected over the surface of water, but if it is soluble, this method cannot be used. If we have to dry a moist sample of gas, we have to use a substance known as drying agent. This drying agent absorbs all the moisture from the gas and makes the gas dry. The most important for us are concentrated sulfuric acid, anhydrous calcium chloride, and calcium oxide. Concentrated sulfuric acid can be used for all gases except ammonia, while anhydrous calcium chloride can be used for all the gases. Calcium oxide is used for all the gases except the acidic gases. Concentrated sulfuric acid is the best drying agent to be used. This chapter is completed here. Thanks for watching. Please comment if you have any queries and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications for future videos.